Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So sitting here next to me, I have a big pile of empty products. So you know what that means. We are digging through my trash today. I've been saving all the products that I have recently emptied and went through, and they're all sitting here next to me so I can share them with you. But I love doing videos like this because you guys will get to see, like, this pile here are things that I use on a constant daily basis. So I really like that because it's not just like, oh, let me show this, like I used it once, this or that. Like, these are products that I use every single day. So it's kind of fun. So anyway, we're just gonna jump into this video. I'm gonna share with you guys my thoughts and little reviews on all of these products. So let's dive in and let's get started. All right, randomly digging on in here, we have the Oribe Super Shine Hairspray, and I love this hairspray. It's the only hairspray I use. This is the little travel size. I also have like the big Hunga big one. This is just the little baby travel size, and I have just went through this. This hairspray is so nice. It is so light. It doesn't make your hair like crispy or sticky. It just gives like the best like little hold, and it makes your hair smell amazing. This, like I said, is my go-to hairspray. I'm not a big hair product girl or hair like product junkie like I am with like makeup and skincare, but this is the hairspray that I reach for when I want to, you know, keep everything in place a little bit. Like today, when I want to keep my little beachy waves in place, I just take a little of this hairspray and kind of zhuzh it all over, and I love it. This is like the best hairspray. So I have my Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser here. This is the big one. This was like the charcoal infused one, so it's supposed to have like better cleansing properties to it. I love this. Like, this has taken me so long to get through this size. The little white size solid cleanser, like I get through those in like a matter of, oh my gosh, like weeks, like so quick, because I use beauty blenders all the time, every single day really. So I always get this big one, and I feel like it does a really good job cleansing. I honestly can't tell the difference between this like charcoal infused one versus like the little white one. I honestly feel like they both cleanse really well, but this size just lasts me way longer. So I already bought a backup of this during the Sephora VIB sale, which that haul will be coming up shortly. So I finished up, oh my gosh, how funny is this? I never finish a foundation, guys. Ever. This is like a huge milestone for me. It's the Osmosis Performance Wear Satin Finish Foundation. I love this foundation. I wear this daily. I love it so much. There's like, I always share this with you guys, and I always tell you there's probably about like 4 foundations that I truly reach for on a daily basis. This by far is one of them. I wear this constantly, and this is actually the foundation I have on today. It's just the best foundation. Honestly, it is the longest lasting foundation. It will last you like 16 plus hours. It never looks cakey. You can put this on at like 6 a.m. and then midnight wash your face, and you're like, holy crap, like my makeup, everything's still so flawless. It is so amazing. Like truly, this is just like the bomb foundation. And I had Robin, the formulator of this, on. She was on my channel, and it was just so interesting. I just love it. It's a mineral-based foundation. It's a miracle working foundation. It's good for oily skin, dry skin, every skin in between. It works on everybody. I have my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I love this brow pencil. This is what I have on today. This is really what I use every single day for my brows. I use the 3.5 shade and then the 4 shade. This one is the number 4. Those are the 2 shades. I kind of use them both to kind of get like the best natural looking brow, I feel like. So I never ever run out of this. All right, pulling out some Shiseido cotton pads. I use these every single night to remove my makeup, and I believe, yes, let me dig on in here. This is what I use every single night to take off my makeup, my Bioderma. So I take this, take my little Shiseido cotton pads, I take like 2 of them, usually rub them on my eyes, get all my eye makeup off, and then I take another one and do my face, and then I go in with my cleanser every night. So people always ask me like, does that cleanser get off makeup, or does that cleanser do this? And I personally never cleanse my skin to get makeup off. I always want to get my makeup off first to really get that off my skin, and then you go in with your cleanser and you really get a better cleanse, and everything just comes off your skin. Your skin is left so much more clean that way. So Bioderma, Shiseido cotton pads, this is my life every night. So if you know me, you know I'm a big supplement girl. I love taking my supplements. I have seen such a change in my body, the way my gut feels, the way my digestion works, and just like my skin in general from supplementing. Oh my God, biggest change, biggest differences. And I've talked about that so much on my channel. I have been using these for a while now. It's the Sanitas, the Complexion Clear. So I've gone through so many bottles of this. This is a wonderful supplement to really help and boost your skin. It really makes a difference if you have acne or blemish prone skin as well. It literally has everything in it that you could possibly need to really balance out your whole internal system to really get beautiful skin. So I love this, but I will tell you guys, since I used these up, I did switch over to the Truth treatments, the blemish control treatment, blemish repair treatment, something like that. It's the Truth treatment ones, and I really, really like the Truth treatment ones. I think a little bit better. I don't know, they have done, I don't know, I swear every time I use a Truth treatment supplement, oh, you just see a difference with your whole skin and your skin all over your body, like everything. So I did switch over to the Truth treatment ones, and I do actually prefer the Truth treatments. What's up, Cole? All right, speaking of finishing foundations, number 2 here. I finished up the Osmosis CC cream. I did finish one of these before. This isn't the first foundation of the CC cream that I've ever finished. I've finished a couple tubes of this. This is in the neutral shade. I finished a neutral one before. I finished a sand shade before. Those are the 2 colors that I kind of alternate and switch. But this is a great daily foundation. It's so light on your skin. It literally lifts and perfects and plumps your skin. It is so amazing for more mature skin. Again, this works for really, I've seen it work for a lot of skin types, dry skin, oily skin. The only time I've seen people say that they really didn't prefer this is if they had super oily skin, but I know I can wear this in the winter when my skin is dry. I wear it in the summer when I'm more oily, and I love it. I lock it on with the powder, the Osmosis Press Base Powder, and it is like perfection. It is like skin perfection. So this is just a great one. I throw this in my gym bag and I just take this on the go. It's so easy. You can use it with your hands and you're just like out the door with perfect skin. All right, speaking of Osmosis here, I do have a couple products that I finished up. The Osmosis, the Catalyst AC11. I love this stuff. I use this at night a lot of times. It is wonderful. It is your DNA repair. It literally will turn back the hands of time. It literally has ingredients that really penetrate and go deep down into the skin cells and truly repair damage to the skin. This also really helps with the elasticity and collagen of your skin. Like, you will see changes with this for sure. This is also so good if you have any broken capillaries, because this will heal your skin because it is repairing any damage within your skin. You will see broken capillaries kind of fade and the redness go away, because a broken capillary is not broken. It's not a broken capillary like actually the name says. It's actually coming to the surface of your skin to heal a wound that's like in your skin. So when you fix that wound, the broken capillary goes away and the redness goes away. So you will see big time differences if you have redness and broken capillaries. This also makes like skin tags fall off. Like, this just really heals your skin. So I love this. And I also went through, oh my gosh, I've gone through so many of these as well. It's the Osmosis Correct, the level 3. This is their retinaldehyde serum. So this is their vitamin A. I use this every single day and night. I use it twice a day. You can use it twice a day, morning and night, which I love, because you're giving your body that constant boost of vitamin A. It's not like you're just overloading it at night. It's literally your skin needs it on a constant basis. So you're just getting that whole, never ending flow of vitamin A. And I love this serum. There's no redness, there's no peeling, there's no flaking. It is not harming or inflaming your skin. This creates none of that, but you're still getting the collagen, the elasticity, the firming, again, the lifting, and everything else that vitamin A is known to do. It works, it's amazing, and the retinaldehyde is the form of vitamin A that's in here, and for me, retinaldehyde is my preferred choice of vitamin A. It is amazing. Retinaldehyde has been proven to do the exact same thing as retinoic acid to the skin, but again, without harming and damaging the barrier of your skin. So you're keeping your skin healthy, and it's my favorite. Where's my other little guy here? This is my other one that I will never be without. As you know, I'm formulating my own skincare line right now. It's the most fun thing. I'm literally taking everything that I love, everything that I know works, and just putting it all together, and it's gonna be so amazing. But I will tell you guys, this is the Osmosis Rescue. This is the Epidermal Repair Serum. I will never be without this. Even when I'm using my own products, which I am using a lot of my products right now, I still incorporate this into my routine because I love it so much. And there is nothing, literally nothing on the market even that comes close to what this does. This again heals your skin from the inside out. It will heal sun damage, it heals acne, it heals blemish scars. It is amazing, truly. I mean, this is probably, I would have to say, one of the most standout products of skincare that I have ever seen. It really heals any inflammation in the skin, any damage, anything that needs to be repaired. It literally will fix and repair and boost. So inflammation, damage, anything under the surface like that, it's actually aging your skin. Inflammation to your skin ages your skin. This knocks out inflammation. So if you have acne, if you have rosacea, I mean, really anyone can use this, but rosacea, acne, those are all really big skin conditions that have to do with inflammation. This is a miracle worker. This knocks out the inflammation, the redness. Like I said, it really helps to heal acne and acne scars and rosacea, all of that. But it truly, I love it. I mean, I could literally go on and on about this product, but I won't because this video will be so long. But just take my word, this product is so amazing. I've gone through so many of these as well. I've got a couple cleansers that I finished up. The Is Clinical Cleansing Complex. This is a freaking bomb cleanser. I love this. It has a little bit of an exfoliating property to it. So it's good for all skin types, but it will just gently exfoliate just ever so slightly, just really helping to clean out the pores, but not over stripping or not over drying your skin at all. It will not harm the barrier of your skin at all, but it will help to deep clean your skin and your pores. And I just love it. I think this is a great cleanser for sure. The ingredients are amazing and I love this. This is like a cult following cleanser. It's so funny. I've seen it in magazines, like celebrities talking about it. It's in like skincare magazines. It's got a big following behind this cleanser and I can see why. Truly, it really is good. I'll quickly show two of my products. These are just little samples. I finished up two of them. This was the little toner. This was the cleanser. I finished up like two of them actually. I've been using these for a while, you guys, and I love them. Oh my God, they are so good. I cannot even tell you, they have changed. The cleanser and the toner have changed my skin. And I know people are gonna be like, oh, how do you know it's changed your skin? I am so in tune with my skin. I really know what's going on with my skin. Cleanser and toner out of my line that is coming will change your skin. I finished up one of the Truth Treatments True Serums. This is the vitamin C. This is the Benefuge vitamin C. Love this vitamin C. Oh my gosh, so good. As I've mentioned in previous videos, again, L-ascorbic acid is not my go-to for vitamin C. This is your tetrahexadecyl ascorbate. That is the form of vitamin C in this, and that is by far my favorite form of vitamin C. I find it so much more effective than L-ascorbic acid. I use L-ascorbic acid products, some of the best on the market, for years, and nothing changed my skin. I didn't see the changes in my skin with the vitamin C until I switched over to the Truth Treatments, the True Serum here, and the vitamin C is just so hands down amazing. You will see, you know, evening out of your skin. You will see that your skin plumps. You will see redness reduced in your skin. And again, it's also protecting your skin. It's an antioxidant, which you need every single day. Everyone should be using a form of vitamin C every day because you're being attacked by free radicals. Your skin's getting damaged by the environment around you every single day, which is causing premature aging. So you need a vitamin C. And again, this one has just made the biggest difference that I have seen, results that I have seen compared to anything else. I finished up one of my Revitalashes. You guys see these in my empties. I've been using Revitalash on my lashes for years. This is what really has boosted my lashes. And people ask me all the time, are you wearing lash extensions or false lashes? And I'm like, nope, they're my lashes. But it is all thanks to this little guy right here. This really, really makes such a big difference with lashes. It's just a little serum with a little brush like this. I swipe it over my lash line every single night, just my upper lashes. And really within a short few weeks, your lashes are gonna be like, bam, like so amazing. And then the longer you use it and the more you stick with it, now remember, keep using it every single night, you will just see how crazy, insanely amazing your lashes get. It is something that I will never be without because for me, lashes just look so good. Even on no makeup days, you don't need a lot of makeup. You put your mascara on with your great long lashes and you're like ready to go. You're out the door and you still look so, I don't know, I feel like it's just such a girly, like pretty thing when you have great lashes. So this is something I will never, ever, ever be without. Oh, here's another Osmosis Rescue. I went through two of those. This is the Osmosis Restore. This is the Immune Repair Elixir. This is your internal repair. So I do take this every single morning and night. It's just one pump. I swallow it. It says you can leave it in your mouth for a couple minutes because it absorbs through your, like under your tongue area. But you can swallow it as well. It just has a little bit of a funky taste. It does take a little bit to get used to, but I mean, I honestly, I kind of like it now. It's something that I've just gotten used to. So I like this. Again, this just just really helps to repair internal issues. I take this and then other internal supplements here from Osmosis that I take. I take the Skin Perfection Frequency Water, I take the Digestive Health, and I take the Inner Harmony. These are all frequency waters that Dr. Ben Johnson created because your body is made up of frequencies. So when you have certain issues going on internally, you can actually cancel out certain frequencies in your body, and that's what these do. And people will think that sounds so crazy, but it's just on a whole other level of holistic health and holistic healing, which is another reason I really like Osmosis, because it's all about holistic healing. It's not just about what we put on our skin, it's about healing the body as well. And that is exactly my whole like philosophy on, you know, skin. It's health, it's internal health, it's what you put on topically, it's everything. So I do take these internal waters. Speaking of more internal health, this is the probiotic that I've been taking, and I actually just bought a new one during the Sephora sale as well. It's the RMS Beauty, the Within Probiotic and Prebiotic. I really like this. I have tried different probiotics and prebiotics previously. I kind of switch up because every probiotic can work differently for someone else, but I have noticed really big changes internally, like digestive and just, you know, bloating, all of that stuff with this probiotic. So I've been sticking with this one. Sometimes my body can get used to a probiotic too, and then I have to like switch it up. But so far I've gone on a couple bottles of this now, and I really, really like this one. So I finished up my native deodorant. I am all about natural deodorants. I never use like a traditional deodorant anymore. They're so bad for you, so toxic, and just so, like, no, don't use one. So Native is a brand that I found that really works. You don't have that like detox phase, and yeah, I mean, you just, like a lot of natural brands I've tried, you can smell, and you kind of have to go through this detox phase, and then sometimes the detox phase never seems to end, so you just stink. So this one does really work off the bat, and I really like this Native brand. This one and the Kopari one, those are my two like definite favorites for a natural deodorant. Okay, I finished up the Oribe Royal Blowout Heat Styling Spray. So this is like a pump spray that you spray all throughout your hair. It's gonna help to protect your hair through the heat styling, like blow drying, curling, all of that stuff. I always use a heat protectant, but I will say I did like this one, but I still prefer my Kerastase, the Cement Thermique. That's like the cream type of one that I use, and that one I've gone through so many of, and I still love that one the absolute best. This one was really, really good though, and I do like how it's in a spray. I feel like the spray is like a little bit easier to use than the cream that the Kerastase is, but the Kerastase just does something so magical to my hair that I did repurchase my Kerastase, and I'm not going to be repurchasing this for a while. Maybe I'll try it again, maybe I'll use it again in the future, but my Kerastase, that is where my heat protectant is. Like, that is my thing. Okay, then finishing up with two mascaras here. I finished up the Chantecaille mascara. This is like a $70 mascara. I honestly, it's like flaking all over the place. That's one of the things I didn't like about it. It has like this big, like chunky, crusty mascara gunk that like forms around the outer rim, which is just yuck. But I did not see anything that was like that special about this mascara. It was nice, but it wasn't like, bam, like this is it. This is my mascara. Like, I just didn't have that feeling. So I will not be repurchasing that. Then I finished up the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. This is one that I kind of go back and forth with. I discovered this years ago, and then I still just like every now and then when I want to switch up my mascara, will pick this up. This one really is nice though, you guys. It creates amazing volume. It's super black in color. It's got a big old brush like this, and it just really creates like that kind of like false lash look to your eyes, and it kind of creates that like dramatic lash. So I do really like this one. I have like 5 other mascaras going right now, but this is one again that I will repurchase in the future. All right, so that is everything. That is all of my trash as of recent. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out and just digging through my trash with me today. I'm going to list and link all these products that I mentioned down below in the description box. You can always open it up there for more info on what makeup I'm wearing for the day. It's all gonna be down in the description box down below. But again, thank you guys so much for watching and taking the time out of your day to hang out with me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified of all my future videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.